Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Shout Loud. In today's session, we will learn how to download and install Zoom application. Zoom is cloud-based video communication app that allows you to set up virtual video and audio conferencing. You can set up webinars, video sessions, live chats, screen sharing, etc. with the help of Zoom application. So let's quickly learn the configuration procedure. First, open your browser and enter the Zoom website address zoom.us. Once the website is open, you need to scroll down to the bottom and look for download. So click on download. Once you click on download, you will get the system type download configuration information. So if you can see here, there are two configuration type. One is 32-bit, the second one is 64-bit. So according to your system's configuration, you can choose and download the Zoom client application. For those viewers who don't know how to check the system type, you can quickly go to start and click on this PC or my computer, right click, click on properties and look for system type. So if you can see here, the system type 64-bit operating system. So I need to download 64-bit Zoom client. So I just click on download. According to your internet speed, it will allow you to download. So normally it takes 1 or 2 minutes to download the software. Once it's downloaded, you can double click on it so that it can start the configuration procedure. And once it's configured, you will see Zoom Cloud Meeting app automatically opens up. Now there are two options. One is join a meeting or sign in. So I will recommend you click on sign in. And if you already register to Zoom Cloud, then enter your email address and the password. If you're a completely new user, you can sign up free with here. Or you can also log in with Google or Facebook. I prefer sign in with Google, so I'm clicking on that option. And I will enter my Gmail credentials. And it opens up the Zoom application. So you can see there is a meeting ID available over here. You can share this meeting ID to your friends or your partners with who you want to set up a meeting. So under Zoom application, there are four options. One is new meeting. If you want to set up a new meeting, you can click on this. If you want to join someone else meeting, you need to know the meeting ID or the personal link name and enter your credentials or enter your name. Then click on join. You can prefer and choose whether you want to connect with audio, whether you need to turn off your video or you want to go with the video. So it allows you the video conferencing as well as audio conferencing. If you want to schedule a meeting for a different date, you can click on schedule. Enter your meeting topic, enter the start date and the time, enter the duration, and according to the time zone, you can select your time zone as well. And you can choose whether host needs to be has a video on or off, and then click on save. There is another option called share screen. So during the meeting, if you want to share your screen and want to display some information from your machine or a laptop, then you can click on share screen and you will able to share your information to your partners or your meeting members. So that's it guys, all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe so that I can create more interesting and knowledgeable videos. Thank you.